Hello and welcome back. So now we're going to work on image upload in production and managing that. You already have the gem that we needed in order to manage this, and that's the fog gem. So I'll pull up my gem file. When we installed Carrier Wave and Minimagick, we also installed fog. And that will basically manage the image upload in production. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my picture uploader file. So under app uploaders, so scroll up right here, app uploaders, picture uploader. Here we have to specify what to use if the environment is production. Right here we're just saying storage file, and notice here there's storage fog. So what we're going to do is simply say if rails.env.production ? Then it should be storage fog. And I'll move this, so Command X. Else, Command V, storage file. End. Save that. So if the environment is production, use fog. Otherwise, use file. All right. And I'll exit out of this. Now the next step is I have to sign up for Amazon Web Services. So I'm going to pull up a window over here and type in AWS. And here it is, Amazon Web Services. Sign up. I'm going to use another one. And then I am a new user. Sign in using our secure server. Okay, my name is Udemy Rails course. There's the email. Type it again, udemyrailscourse@gmail.com, and then enter in a password. Type it again. Create account. Okay, here's the contact information. You're gonna need to fill this in. So I'm gonna pause this video and fill it in, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so once signed up and fill in your contact information, it brings you to this, and you're going to have the free usage tier. And for our image upload, it's going to be very, very cheap depending on how much you use it. For our application, it'll be very cheap. It's not free, but we get it free for a year anyway. So go ahead and fill in this info, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so after the identity verification, the support plan, we'll just stick with the free plan. Then continue. Okay, so welcome to Amazon Web Services. Sign into console. I'll click on that. There's the email, and then I'm going to use my password. Sign in. Perfect. So over here, scroll down, and you see this link that says security and identity. So click over here. All right, so we're going to create an IAM user right now. So on left here, I'll click on users, and I don't have any users, so I'll create new users, and I'll enter in a name for a user, generate an access key for each user. That's fine. Click on create. Okay, your user has been created successfully. Now over here, click on show user security credentials and save your access key and secret key. It's very important that you save that. So go ahead and take care of that. And once you've done that, you can also download your credentials over here. Now the next thing to do is we have to create an S3 bucket. So under services over here, if you scroll to the right here, S3, click on that. We're going to click on create bucket. We're going to name the bucket something. I'll just call it photo app images. And then the region, I'll say US standard. Create. The requested bucket name is not available. I'll select another name, create. Okay, there's the bucket right there. And over here, you see the region and all of that. Now, some regions require the region to be set as well when you're setting up your credentials with Heroku. So make note of the region, okay? Now, I'm going to go back to my IAM user. So services, and right here, IAM. And then users. I'll click on the user. Now we have to give this user access to that S3 bucket, okay? On the left here, I have policies, so I'll click on that. And then on the top left here, it says create policy. So I'll click on create policy. And then it says right here, has a listing, copy an AWS managed policy. I'm going to select this. And then please select a policy to copy from the following list right here, administrator access. I'll just select this one. Okay, policy name right here, description, and here is the policy document. So let's edit this. This version is fine, statement is fine, effect, allow, and then action right here, we're going to say S3 : star, then and close quote, comma, then resource, we're going to open square bracket, and we're going to say, within quotes, ARN : AWS : S3 : and here you're going to enter in your S3 bucket name. Now, I don't remember mine, so I'm going to check over here. So I'm going to go to my console. And then right here is my S3. There's my bucket, all right? So back here, it's going to be ARN : AWS : S3 : comma, next line, within quotes, ARN : AWS : S3 : and then slash star, close quote, close the square bracket, then the close of the curly brace, that's fine, comma, I'm going to make some room here, go to the next line, then open curly brace, then next line, within quotes, I'm going to say effect, close quote, space, within quotes, allow, close quote, comma, within quotes, action, close quote, within quotes, S3, list all my buckets, close quote, comma, within quotes, resource, close quote, within quotes, ARN, AWS, S3, star, close quote, and then close the curly brace, and then close, I think I have an extra one, close quote, close curly brace, close square bracket, close the curly brace at the bottom. I'm going to click on create policy. Okay, so I have the policy that's been created. So if I go to my users now, and here's my user, I click on it, attach policy, there's my policy that I just created, administrator access. So I'll click on this and then attach policy. Okay, so now my user has this policy attached. Now if I click on show policy, there's what I just added. Perfect. All right, So that takes care of the Amazon Web Services portion of this. And starting in the next video, we're going to work on our application, set the credentials, and make a couple of updates to complete the process. I'll see you there.